Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project MyLoan, which is a loan management system. So first let us extract the downloaded file loan management system. So you can see it is being extracting, and once you complete the extraction, a loan management file will be created. So inside the file you can find the database backup file, which will be an SQL file. And in MyLoan folder, this will include all the PHP codes, PHP files, with the main source code. In complete project report, you can find all the project reports. Now let's copy this MyLoan folder into your XAMPP htdocs folder. So in my system, XAMPP is present in C drive. I have installed it in C drive. So wherever you have installed, copy in that in htdocs folder. So once you are copied this folder, you can find all the source code inside your htdocs folder. Only then you can execute using XAMPP server. So now let's open the browser, and first let us import the database. To import the database, you must select localhost PHP myadmin, and this is your MySQL database server. So clicking on databases, give the database name MyLoan and create the database. And once the database is created, click on import, and here choose the file to import. So where your file is existing in the loan management system folder inside the database backup. So click on this file and import this file. Click on go. So this might take some time to get uploaded. So once it has been completed, you can see the database. Now open a browser and type localhost, and here you must type the name of the folder of your project. So what is the name? Here it is MyLoan. So rename and copy this folder name. So whatever name is here, that only you must type in your browser. So let's paste this localhost MyLoan, and now you can see the project. So the loan management system, in this project, the customer can apply for loan account through online, and customer needs to fill their requirements in loan application. Customers can view their loan account details, interest rates, repayment schedules, etc. And the system calculates processing charges and late payment fees automatically. So the administrator can view the paid customer details, unpaid customer details, and terminated accounts. Once the administrator logs in, the administrator can update their profile. They can change the password details. Even in settings, the administrator can view loan types, and administrator can add the staff and view staff. Here the customers can make loan payment through online, and after the payment the system generates receipt with the total paid amount and balance account. So the administrator can view the customers and the companies and different types of loan applications, whether they are pending, approved or rejected, that the administrator can view here. So in the administrator dashboard, administrator can view the various records present. So now let's log out from the admin. Now let us register as customer. So here the registration type, you can see either a customer or company. So you can register as company. Also you can register as a customer. So when you register as customer, you must mention the first name, middle name and last name. Then the date of birth, gender of the customer, So the customer must register to apply for the loan. Here the gender of the customer must be selected. Contact number of the customer, email ID of the customer, password and confirm password must be entered. And the customer must upload the photo. On clicking on click here to register, the customer registers successfully and the customer will logs into the portal. So here the customer can see various different loan types and different loan processing fee also. In my account, customer must update their profile. That is, they must enter their personal details such as the PAN card number, address, because for the customer to obtain loan, all their personal details must be correct. Once the address is mentioned, address proof must also be uploaded. So the state of the customer must be chosen. Contact number and email ID is already present. Bank name, bank account number, IFC code, and the job details of the customer must be mentioned, because to obtain loan it is very necessary to know what is the person is doing, what work he is doing, and what will be his salary. And for ID proof and the address proof must be given. So here we are giving PAN card proof and Aadhaar card proof. So once the profile is updated, then the customer can view the different loan types. It can be either personal loan, business loans, home loan, educational loan, vehicle loan, etc., and can view the loan processing fee also. On clicking on apply for loan, here the customer will get an option to click here to apply, where he can apply for the loan by seeing the details. And in profile detail, customer can make changes to their profiles here, and in contact details customer can make the changes to contact details. And in loan detail, here the customer must mention what is the desired amount of loan they require. So here the customer has put 1,50,000, and what is their net monthly income. So this person has got 40,000 income per month, and the company name, that is where they are working, must be mentioned, and the residence type, where they are staying, what is the type of the residence. So here they stay with their parents, and the house is owned by the parents. And what is their salary received type? It is a check, bank transfer, and how many years of work experience they have. On that, their loan request will be sent. So you can view the loan application here, what the customer has requested, so with the loan type and desired amount. So let's log out from the customer now. Now let us log in as admin. So admin must log in by mentioning login ID, admin, and password. So once the admin logs in, under view pending loan applications, admin can view the different loan applications which are pending for sanction. And in view loan application, admin can view the different details, that is the customer details, all their personal informations. In contact details, their contact details, the permanent address and the residential address. In loan detail, the information given by the customer can be viewed, and in loan profile also can be viewed, which the admin can make a changes to it, can filled by the admin. And in loan account, the type of the loan and total payment can also be viewed, and on clicking on approve loan application, the admin will approve for the loan application, and it can be viewed in view loan applications. So in view approved loan applications, here the admin can view the approved loan application. So under view application, here all the details can be viewed. Let's log out from admin, and now let's log in as a customer to check whether the customer will accept the approved loan from the admin. So the customer must log in using their email ID and password. So here in loan offer, you can see there is one written as 1, which means there is one notification, and that is the approved loan from the admin. So here the customer can see the customer details, whatever they have given, and customer contact details can be viewed, and the loan details can be viewed, which was given by the customer while applying, and these changes, this information must be in. And here the delay payment charges, the total amount to be paid can be viewed, and EMI charge, that is how many installments the customer must pay and what is the amount to be paid, everything. On clicking that, the customer must accept the loan offer. So once the customer accepts the loan offer, the loan account chart is available, which includes the different installments the customer must pay. So in my loan account, here the customer can view the loan application, and in view loan chart, here the customer can view the different installments, that is what is the total installment the loan must be paid. So here there is 15 installments, and for each installment the customer must pay 12,000 balance amount, that is 10,000 principal amount, 2,000 interest. In case in delay of payment, there will be a delay payment charge and penalty amount also. So for the first installment, there is an action to pay. Once the customer completes the 15 installments, the loan will be closed, and the customer can also pay the first installment. On paying the first installment, the customer must mention the amount to pay. So the amount actually to pay is 12,000, but the customer has an option how much he wants to pay. Then through what means he will pay, whether in card. So he must choose the payment type, then the card number, card holder name, expiry date and CVV number. So clicking here to make payment will make the first loan payment, first installment payment, and it will generate the receipt, and you can also print this receipt. So here the first installment is paid, amount is 12,000 is paid here. Now when you click on my loan accounts, in the view loan chart, you can see that the first installment is paid and you have an action view transaction and balance amount is 0, paid amount is 12,000. And you can see the receipt here. So in view loan chart, now if you check, it gives an option to pay for the second installment. There is also an option apply for foreclosure, which means the customer wants to close the loan by paying it the total amount once only. So when the foreclosure is done, there will be a discount, and you can see now the total amount to pay is 1,65,000. And if you see, before it was 1,80,000, so 30,000 extra he had to pay, but now here only 15,000 extra he'll be having to pay. So because he's making an early closure, he has this reduction. So once the payment is done, you can see the receipt. In closed loan accounts, under my loan account, here you can see the loan amount is closed, loan is closed, that is the customer has made the complete payment. And in transaction report you can check the payments and the foreclosure amount what he had to pay, that is 1,65,000, and foreclosure interest deduction also you can see. So this will be the steps how the foreclosure will work. So now let's log out from customer. Now let us log in as admin again. The admin must mention their login ID and password. Once admin logs in, the dashboard is available. In loan applications, under view pending loan applications, the different pending loan application can be viewed, and on clicking on view application, all the informations of the loan application can be viewed by the admin. It can be approved or rejected. So let us see on rejecting the loan application. So after rejecting the loan application, under view rejected loan applications, the admin can view the rejected loan applications and admin can again approve it. It's left to the admin. Under loan accounts, in view closed loan accounts, here the different closed or completed loan accounts can be viewed. Under transaction report, the transaction information can be viewed, the type of payment and details of the payment can be viewed here. In report, the profit loss report of the company can be viewed, different penalty amounts, total amounts, loan paid amounts, everything can be viewed here. Under customers, in view customers, the different customers of the company can be viewed, and on clicking on update, the credit score of the customer can be updated, or it can be increased or decreased. The credit score can be updated, and this can be viewed in view customers. So here the updated score can be viewed here, and the details of the customer can be edited, deleted, as well as it can be viewed. In staff, under add staff, here the admin can add the different staffs, the employees. In settings, under view loan and add loan types, here the different loan types can be added, and under view loan types, the various loan types, that is it can be personal loan, business loan, paid loans, etc., with the maximum and minimum loan amounts and interest rates can be viewed. Under loan add processing fees, here the processing fees for different loans can be viewed. So in view loan processing fees, here the processing charge of the different loan amounts can be viewed here. And also the delay payment settings, in case the customer may can delay in the payment, then the percentage of charge in delay payment also be set by the admin itself. So let's log out from the admin. This is about the project MyLoney. Thank you for watching the video. For further queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.